What have we got here, Missy? What have you got for us today?
Okay.
Enough from Tony.
Okay, so first thing I bring here today is this one, Entry Grade Nu Gundam.
Entry Grade Nu Gundam. And I know it's New Gundam because it's got V on it.
Yeah, I think
and
it's
that means new.
Yeah,
right?
new. Yeah.
Because there's big ones that have the new on it too, right?
Yes, it's the same unit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this Gundam is this kit is very special to me because it's my first Gunpla kit.
Yes. Is that your first one that you ever built?
Yes. Yes.
Sentimental.
Yes.
Have you still got it?
Yes. So the new Gundam is it's beside my bed.
Is it?
Yeah.
How many do you think you've got in your collection now?
I think it's around 10, 12.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Yeah. And I think so I as a one built this one before, so I want to introduce how good this one is.
Yeah, because you were a first time builder as well.
Yeah.
It was your first time building any model kit, wasn't it? And you chose that one, and that's exactly what it's aimed at.
Yes.
So do you want to take the lid off the top and have a look inside, or what do you want to do?
So
absolutely, let's have a look in there.
So firstly, you will notice this kit doesn't have any extra stickers for doing extra colors.
Oh yeah, extra colors. Yep.
Yeah, they only have the decals for Amuro, the pilot's a signature or
like his insignia.
Yeah.
I can see it here actually. So this is it here and here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And all the rest of the colors are pre-molded, so you don't need to do any extra brush painting works for this kit. And
is this a toolless kit, so you don't supposed to use nippers? Is that one of these ones or not?
Yes. Yeah. You don't need any tools for that.
You don't need any tools. How clever is that engineered? And there's different color code for different parts.
Yes. So because they're all pre-molded, so all the structures are snap fit.
Snap fit.
Yeah. So it's very intelligent designed. Yeah.
Well, that's the thing about Bandai, is their engineering behind the product is phenomenal, isn't it?
I know.
They're so clever, so cleverly made, and with so much thought behind it.
Yes.
They really understand not only what they want it to look like, but actually how it is from the minute you open the box, what it looks like, the different colors on the sprues, like you said, the instructions.
Yes.
And they're actually assembled. The assembly is beautiful.
Yes. And because it's you don't need any extra brushwork, so you will literally get what you see on the box.
Like him.
Yeah, like him.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And even though look, it's got a beautiful texture.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's not just a stark white plastic glossy. Yeah. It's actually a textured finish.
I know, right?
It's so good of it.
And it's not only for the beginners, I would say.
Not only for beginners?
Yes. Actually, we can use this kit for more advantage practicing, such as scratch build.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one is very cost effective.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's
so you can take parts from it and modify it with another one.
Yes.
If, for example.
Yeah. Or you can practice the line describing, which is one of the most important skill you will need to know how to do. When in
Gundam, because don't they look amazing just from line scribing and panel washing?
Yes.
I mean, it really brings the 3D texture alive.
And also the levels of details.
And the level of detail.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And what else have you got for us?
Speaking of the line describing, I'm going to introduce some tools for you.
So these are some beginner tools to start off with?
Yes.
Fantastic. What